Alright guys, I didn't post a video today because yesterday I went and built a short block for that 71 Jimmy K5. So I'm out here today and I discovered in putting my 71 Cheyenne together that the radiator core support that I repaired and painted is actually a 67 core support. I thought it was a 69 core support. So I found the 69 core support that I thought I was cleaning up and fixing, and it is actually in really good shape. It's got a couple of holes right here, but all the inner fender holes are still in good shape. It's still there. It didn't have a heavy duty coolant on it. You can tell by the radiator feet. But because I'm at my cousin's shop and kind of I'm to the point I really want to get the truck running. Not going to take a day to clean this and paint it and all that. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the original core support back in the truck. This is the one. This is 402 big block. I'm going to put this one back in it for the time being because I'm ready to run and drive the truck. And then I'll clean that one I just showed you up and paint it and put it on the truck when I do the patch panels and stuff. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there and put the front bumper on it as is. And then when we come back and do, like I said, do the patch panels and stuff, then we'll clean all this stuff up and paint it, because I'm to the point now, it's so close. I'm just ready to go ahead and get it together, and then we'll drive it for a while. We'll do the patches on it and change the core support out. Like I said, paint the bumper brackets and all that stuff at that time. So we're gonna load this stuff up on the truck and carry it to my cousin's and put it on. Somebody had commented, is the truck driving home or is it coming home on a trailer? The truck is driving home. It's not coming home on the trailer. So we're gonna get with it and do that. And then I've got to lap the valves and redo the heads on that 71 Jimmy and get back over there and finish that long block up. And maybe I'll help him put the motor back in it and do the first start on that thing whenever it gets done. So might have some video on that, but I didn't do any video on doing the short block on that Jimmy last night just because I was over there all day, tore down a block, honed it out, cleaned it up, ringed the pistons, did all that stuff, and I didn't do any video. But we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna load this stuff up and get it over to my cousins and get it on the truck. All right, so y'all stay tuned and I'll show you some more. All right, so here we are over here at the shop, and we're gonna take this radiator out because we got a new one, and we're gonna take this radiator support out because it's the wrong one, and we'll put the factory one back in and get everything buttoned up. So I mean, if you look, I don't know if you can see it, but the headlight holes aren't lined up with the holes in the grill. So we're gonna take the grill out, and then we'll take the radiator out, and then the radiator support, and then we'll get it all switched out. All right. So we got the grill radiator and all that out. So now I gotta get the radiator support out and we'll be ready to go back together with it. So y'all hang on. All right, we got it out. So now we'll get the other one in and see how that goes. All right. All right, we got the factory core support back in. 402 full barrel. All right, so got that in, and we'll get the grill in and keep on getting it. So it's getting there. It's getting there. Check out AC. Yep. It will get AC on it before the summertime gets here, I promise you. Alright, so we got the grill back in. I'm gonna raise it up and put some fasteners in the bottom, but she's mainly in there. We getting it? We getting it? Looking good. Alright, so we're about done under here. We got to fix this little bit of tail light wiring right here. But there's how my exhaust runs. Not perfect, but it is. And all the way out to the front. We got a bumper on and everything. All right, we got the radiator bolted in. Got transmission cooling lines bolted up. So got to get with neatening up some of this wiring now. And just finish everything up underneath the hood, but it's looking good, like it. Yeah, it's because it got that oil all over it. I tried to crank it up and had forgot to plug the oil pressure sender in, and it gets oil everywhere. I ain't fixed that header leak yet. I got to get a header gasket for it. It's blowing out number 2 like it was the other day when I turned it up. Alright, so I just adjusted the IAC, and except for this exhaust leak, it sounds really good. You're messing with it. Gotta fix that header leak. Alright, y'all, I think I'm gonna call it a night. Y'all stay tuned. I get some more done, I'll show you.